Myself, Dr. Swarna Ronaki. I am working as scientist in the Department of Agronomy in Indian Institute of Millets Research. In this institute, my current responsibility was to develop resource use efficient technologies for enhancing the input use efficiency in millets. And apart from this, I am looking after the All India Coordinated Research Project trials in agronomy. So presently, I am handling one project developing a system modeling platform for enhancing the Rabi sorghum productivity in India, and this project I am doing in collaboration with ICRISAT. In this project, we are using one crop growth simulation model in order to simulate the growth and development of Rabi sorghum in all over across the Rabi sorghum regions in India. So in this, first we are evaluating all the Rabi sorghum released varieties for all the locations of India, and we are identifying the best agronomic management practices in order to get the higher yields in all these regions. So the main objective of this project was to develop site-specific cultivar and management practices for enhancing the productivity of Rabi sorghum in India. Apart from this, I am conducting experiments in order to develop improved agro technologies to increase the productivity and input use efficiency in all the small millets. These millets are climate smart crops. So they require even less water and they can withstand hard climate conditions. So in order to evaluate the water use efficiency of these millets, I am conducting certain lysimeter experiments to compare the water use efficiency of small millets with other cereal crops. In my present collaborative project that I am doing with ICRISAT, here first we have calibrated all the released Rabi sorghum varieties. So for that we have conducted field experiments in IIMR and ICRISAT to collect the data of all the released varieties regarding their phenology, growth attributes and gram matter production and yield attributes. So from these data, we have given an input to the Epson crop model that we are using to simulate the crop growth and development. So for all these cultivars, we have calibrated the model, and then we have collected 30 years weather data for all the locations of India. And this 30 years weather data we have collected from the NASA. This NASA gridded weather data we have calibrated with the observed weather data collected from certain locations. By using this 30 years weather data and soil data collected from NBSS and LUP, we have framed some crop model applications for all these locations. So, and then we have developed online database management system, where from this online database management system, either a farmer, a researcher or a scientist, they can select a suitable variety or a suitable management practices for their locations. In this online database management system, we have embedded certain management practices like they can select the suitable urea rate, they can select the plant density, they can select spacing. Even for getting higher yields, they can select which cultivar will get higher yields in their location. And regarding the soils also, for each location there are different types of soils like shallow soil, medium soil and deep soil. So based on the online database management system, a farmer can select their soil, like if he is having only shallow soil, for that soil which variety is more suitable and which management practices in combination with variety will give the higher yields for their location.